Say Paris. Now say it in Russian. Paris. Not the same, right? And this is just the beginning. You probably know these cities, but in Russian, some of them sound completely different. Let me show you. Let's start easy. London, London, Berlin, Berlin, Rome, Рим, Madrid, Madrid, Tokyo, Tokyo, New Delhi, New Delhi, Ankara, Ankara. Easy, you can guess them, but not all of them are this nice. Paris, Paris, Warsaw, Warszawa, Athens, Афины, Cairo, Cairo. You recognize them, but they don't sound exactly the same. And then it gets really weird. Beijing, Pekin. Yes, Beijing is Pekin. Not even close. Helsinki, Helsinki. Okay, this one's fine. But listen to this. Vienna, Vienna. Not Vienna, Vienna. In Russian, it also means vein, vein. And one more. Prague, Praga. Let's try one together. How do you think Russians say Budapest? Budapest. So next time you say Paris, remember, in Russian it's Paris. And some cities you would never guess. If you want more videos like this, write a city in the comments. I might include it next. Subscribe and stay tuned for more.